Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you my honest and unbiased review of Artspace AI. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what Artspace AI offers, from its standout features to its pricing plans and even some of the limitations you should consider. Now first off, let's talk about what really sets Artspace AI apart. Well, it's in painting and outpainting features. These tools allows you to edit and expand your creation seamlessly, which is something a lot of other AI art platforms struggle with unless you're paying for premium features. But with Artspace, there are no restrictions on these tools, making it a fantastic option for artists who want more creative flexibility without added cost. Whether you need to fix small details or enlarge your canvas, Artspace offers unlimited editing capabilities to bring your vision to life. Now let's get into pricing, one of the most important factors when choosing a platform. So Artspace AI offers a 7-day free trial for new users so you can try it out risk-free. And once that's up, you can opt for one of their paid plans. We have Studio Plan. It starts at just $6 a month and gives you 500 images to work with. If you need more features and images, the price goes up from there. The top tier plan, Elite Illustrator, is priced at around $50 a month, which offers unlimited high quality images, and it's ideal for professionals or heavy users. Now, for those who don't want to deal with monthly payments, Artspace is currently offering a lifetime plan for a one-time fee of $67. So this could be a great deal if you're planning to use the platform long term. Now, another key strength of Artspace is its extensive customization options. You can choose between four distinct art models. Number one is Nova for bold artistic styles. Two is Photorealism for highly realistic images. Three is Dream Studio for fantasy-inspired artwork. And the last one is Anime Alchemist for anime-style creations. So this variety lets you really tailor your artwork to feature specific vision, whether you're looking for something hyper-realistic or more stylized. Plus, Artspace allows you to use seed images to guide the AI output, leading to more personalized and unique results. And while Artspace excels at producing visually stunning pieces, one common critic is the lack of emotional depth in AI generated artworks. It can sometimes feel like the art, while beautiful, lacks the nuance in emotion and intent that traditional artists bring to their work. Additionally, the platform's robust customization features may feel overwhelming to beginners, but for experienced users, the flexibility is a huge plus. But overall, Artspace AI is an impressive AI art platform that offers high quality outputs, powerful editing features, and a user friendly experience. It's ideal for anyone looking to their digital art to the next level without breaking the bank. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.